Hi, my name is Jamila Musa. I am the facilitator and creator of this module design. This is a Adobe Photoshop custom brush presets application training, and this is going over the flowchart assignment for our instructional design and evaluation course with Dr. Deason. To begin with, my project will have a start slide that will ask the learner to select play, and there will be a short video that describes the goals of the course. And for this course, the goals are to train a user how to create custom brushes, teach them how to save those brushes. Well, let me get further into this ScreenFlow. So the goal is to teach custom brushes, how to save them, how to export them, and the benefits of creating custom brushes in Photoshop for a digital artist. The learner will have the option to choose a simulation that they'd like to start with, and there would be a time where there would be a button to select each one of these. Let me zoom out here. Each one of these different categories. We're going to start with creating a cloud brush, a brush from a doodle or a sketch. We're going to talk about saving, talk about tweaking the brushes, and exporting. For each one of these categories, there will be video tutorials. The first video tutorial will be to see it and how it's done. Starting with the cloud brush, we would find an image, make a selection from an image, copy that, desaturate, invert that image, change the levels, and then create the brush. For the do it option, the learner will be able to follow along with a cue of what to do, and they will be able to press hot key areas of a Photoshop image in the areas where they need to, in the steps in order as they need to create the brush. In the testing section, they will not be given any prompts, and each category here has a total of 2 questions at 10% each, so a total of 20% for each category above, and that would total 100 points. For the doodle and the sketch, they would see me as the presenter. I would have a video of drawing the sketch, then I would make a selection of what I want the brush to be, and then create the brush. For saving, we're going to go over saving brushes by themselves, and then saving altered brushes as we tweak them, and then saving as a collection. For tweaking, we're going to go over dynamics, scattering, and jitter. And for exporting, we will talk about saving to the desktop, loading into Photoshop, file transfer, and importing them into another computer and using it on another Photoshop on a different computer. And all the data would be stored. I will also, which is not complete here, but I would have a certificate for the user. Upon completion, they can print that out. And throughout this, I will have options for them to go back and learn. There will be buttons if they get the questions wrong that will allow them to go back and see it done, so that they can test and get a complete score. Well, that's all I have. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to your feedback.